Hello everyone, welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we will see that how can you add a title to your video. So suppose we have this video file. Let's just get this video 2 file. So this is actually just a file with no title, no text on it. And suppose we want to add some text. So Wondershare Filmora provides us with this feature. All you need to do is go to this option that says titles. Here are these multiple options, 276 options through which you can apply a title that best suits your needs. Okay, so suppose I want this one, the simplistic title. Some of them are with animations as well, some are normal ones. So you can just drag and drop it, whichever title you want. Of course you want to change the title, you want to change the text. Okay, so just right click, go to advanced edit, and then this kind of a dialog box would appear, using which you can just customize all and everything that you want about the title. So right now we are just going to manipulate the text, let's say river, and for the second one we can just say flowing. So caps lock, flowing. Okay, and this river, actually this river text, I want to align it to the right, or if you want you can just change its position a bit like this using this move tool. So river flowing, this is what I'm happy with. Actually let me just add in a caps lock format and increase its size a little bit to, let's say, 100. Okay, so this is river flowing. Let's click on OK, and then it would save. So with these titles also you can add some animations as well, but we are not going to cover them in this video. We're just going to cover the text editing part. Okay, so once it is saved, here if you play the video, here you will see the preset animation for this particular text is playing. Let me just play it again. So this is the text animation that you have applied in just a second into your Filmora video. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.